This is a Thorne Acetyl-L-Carnitine 5 milligrams per capsule, formulated to support cognitive function and healthy nerve sensation. Acetyl-carnitine is a form of carnitine that plays a role in cellular energy production and is commonly used to support brain and neurological health. Like other Thorne supplements, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free, and the brand is well known for high-quality research ingredients. This bottle contains 60 capsules, making it simple to add into daily wellness routine. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before starting any supplement, but this is a clean and well formulated option to consider.